In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Lead2Sheet, and together we're going to create an account, go through everything, and see if this is actually worth the investment. Lead2Sheet allows you to centralize all of your leads across numerous different websites into just one Google Sheet document that will then automatically qualify them by scoring them, tidying them up, and even sending them over to places like Slack, HubSpot, or wherever else you actually work. If Lead2Sheet actually works, this could be a huge time saver and super handy to have all your leads in one central place. Now, as a special thank you for using my link to purchase Lead2Sheet, I'm also going to be giving you these special bonuses that you'll only be able to find from me. You should automatically get these bonuses straight after you've purchased Lead2Sheet, but if you don't, I'll leave my email in the description so you can contact me and I'll send you over the bonuses personally. So once you've created your Lead2Sheet account, you're going to be asked to connect to Google. So we'll go ahead and click connect. And then once you've connected, you go ahead and enter in the business name. So for me, I'll just say Marty Englander, and then I'll put in a website. We'll do complete setup. So Lead2Sheet will then give you two different simple options. First, you'll have the SDK installation, where all you do is put in the code in the header of your website, and then that will start capturing all of the submissions made on your website. The second is the form endpoint. The easier option is the SDK, so we'll go ahead and do that. So we're going to copy this. And if you use platforms like WordPress, I'm going to show you how to do it in WordPress. If you head over to your login area and then go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor, inside the sidebar you'll see Theme Header, and then you'll see the tag called Head. You can actually just do Enter and then add that script in and then do Update File. And then that is how easy it is to install the tool. So once that's installed, we'll do check installation, and then it will say that it's been successfully installed. Now, when we come to this dashboard, it does look a little bit techy, so we might just want to take a moment and just take it all in. So when we're dissecting it, we can see that we've got a open Google Sheet or manage access area. So we'll just go ahead and click that. And now we can see that there's been a new Google Sheet document created in our account that actually is labeled under our website and the form submissions. Then we've got all of our snapshots of recent activity. And if we go to sources, this will let us connect other websites or other social media platforms or even custom APIs that we want to integrate. So really you can connect almost anything to this tool. You can also create your own custom forms or even use AI to create them for you. So if we just do new form and then we'll just say templates and then a contact form, this is what it will look like to start editing the form, and we just simply drag and drop different form fields. We can add multi-step forms, look at all the branding and change the design. We've got the settings, and it will even show us the submissions. And if we wanted to embed it into our website, we can do that as well. Once again, in the pipeline area, this is what we can see with leads and if any have been failed to sync or if they've been blocked. This will give us a breakdown of our Google Analytics account and all of the data and traffic that our websites have been getting. Inside our routes area, we can actually say, hey, when someone submits a form, we want to send them somewhere. So you can send them to another person in your team. You can send them to your autoresponder software. You can send them to your CRM. You can even send them to Slack or Telegram or Discord or even WhatsApp. So it really makes it pretty simple just to set up one route so your leads always go to the places that you actually want it to go. If you're a marketer or someone who owns a collection of websites, or you're constantly doing a lot of outreach through numerous different social channels and you have more than one form on a website, then this tool would be for you, because really the more outreach we do, the more platforms people can contact us on, the more messy our infrastructure becomes. So having a tool like Lead2Sheet would centralize all of that for you so you never miss out on a potential deal. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.